Hello internet users. I've just finished installing this brand new Quincy compressor and I was looking on this tag over here, and it's written on this tag that I have to change the oil after 100 hours of operation because this oil is for braking purposes only. Now I was wondering, how the heck am I supposed to keep track of all of the hours that this compressor will be running? So I figured that the best way would be to install an hour meter hooked up to the motor side of the relay. So this wire over here is hooked up to the motor side of the relay. Don't hook the meter on the line side of the relay, or else your meter will always be running. So this wire goes through the cap, goes through this protecting shield into this junction box that I modified, and the wire is connected to the both leads of this hour meter. Make sure that your hour meter is at least for 220 volts AC, because the motor is running on 220 volts AC. So I hope that this will help other users that need to be taking track of the time running for your compressor in order to make the oil changes at the right periods. Thank you. Bye-bye.